So hi guys, tonight I'm out with Sven. So I'm gonna be tagging along with you, right, tonight?
Yes.
So what's the first part of our adventure?
Well, for tonight, the company Vivant is sponsoring one of the movies, one of these Avengers Infinity Wars, and it's for the benefit of Brigade
Eskewela,
for the benefit of Vicenta A. Monreal Elementary School.
Yeah, thank you, Vivant. And so they're bringing up kids right there.
I guess so.
Yeah,
yes,
so
we're a little bit late, but we're still in time. I think.
So come on, hurry, let's go.
Let's go.
We just finished watching Infinity War. Did you like the ending? Did you like how it ended?
Yes, I like the way it ended. Of course, there's always a continuation. It'll be too short to put a great adventure story in just 3 hours. So it's gotta be a continuation. And most of my other friends who watched it before mentioned that it's different from the others, but it's not that much different from what I used to read when I was a kid, as in the comics. It's pretty much Avengers still. It's just something that they haven't shown in the movies yet. But if you've been reading the comics when back then, it's still very much like the comics.
So
it's a great movie for me.
So you better watch the next
Yes,
episodes, right,
definitely.
in the Marvel universe.
Definitely.
So we just watched a wonderful movie. So we're off to our next destination, right?
Right.
So watch some magic for. Ta-da! Wow, we got the power of Thanos. We teleported. Where are we?
We are now at Crimson in Mactan.
So what are we doing
for
here?
the Summer Soul White Party event. As you can see, I'm all in white.
So I'm gonna be in white, but yeah, it's from Metro Channel, right?
We're supposed to do something like adopt a clam or coral, which we're a little bit late because of the previous event, but hopefully we can still adopt something, either a coral or a clam for environment purposes.
So let's check out this event. Come on.
We can still adopt a coral. We just adopted a clam here at Crimson. Still have no idea much of the details, but I hope this is gonna good. It's gonna be good for the environment. Hopefully.
How does it feel that you have adopted a clam?
Well, it always feels good to do a little part for the environment in our own little way.
And does it feel good, right?
It feels good. It always does.
By the way, do you eat clams?
No, I'm allergic.
Oh, good. He doesn't eat what he adopts, by the way. So now we're gonna party. Are we?
Why not?
Let's go.
I love my food cold.
Brook Laddie, it's a Scottish Idol whisker.
Yeah, that'll be my first with this one.
Would you want one?
Oh, just a little taster first. Just a taster first.
Sorry.
That's not a taster. Very good. Go. Okay, this is my friend Major Calderon. He's been my friend for a long time. We got close when we used to engage in motorsport activities.
Yeah.
Okay, that's how we became close friends.
Long time, yeah.
Long time. More than 10 years.
Racer guy here with me. The only racer from Garcias, no?
Oh yes.
Yeah,
No.
Yeah?
Ian Borromeo,
yeah,
also my cousin. Hi, we're with Kymberly Maitland-Smith. Known her for a couple of years. Very sweet person.
Thank you.
And what can you say about this event? This environment friendly event?
I'm up for anything environmentally service, anything like that, I am up for it. And this is awesome because you get to adopt a clam for a year. So I have my own clam now.
Okay.
I named him Chowder.
Oh, cute.
Yeah, and yeah, I'm very happy. A lot of us have adopted clams, so it's good for the environment and yeah, saving lives, people.
That's good. Well, since I arrived late, I was able to adopt. However, I still don't have a name. I didn't know that.
You can still adopt
No, I just did.
in Crimson Hunter if you want to. And if you want a name, you can ask me because I'm really good at naming clams.
I'll think about it. Okay, thanks for your time, Kim.
Thank you.
Always awesome talking to you.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. And I'm now here with Anastasia and Thomas. Okay, what do you think of this environment-friendly event?
Wow, we really love the event because also we met a lot of friends here and it's really great to gather again, and also we bought a clam today, so it's great to know that we also do something.
This is my neighbor. Hi.
All our neighbors.
Oh, you're also in City Lights? Sorry, you're also in City Lights? Yeah.
Oh, very close. This is Marco Polo.
Oh, yeah.
So I've been here like 5 years ago, and I'm meeting some people again. I've been seeing since like 5 years, and it's a pleasure.
And what do you think of the event?
Oh, just amazing, amazing. It's like back home. We have a little wind, the sea. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thanks.
Thank you so much.
Hello once again. I am here with Miss Earth. What year was that?
2008.
2008 and Miss Cebu
2009.
2009. Karla Henry and Chris Janson or Hanson. I never get that right.
Either way is great.
Either way, it's correct. So, okay, Karla first. What do you think of this event, this environment?
Oh, it was a lot of fun. I mean, it's always nice to see everyone come together and just have a relaxed night, and that's exactly the vibe that Crimson and Metro was trying to achieve. Just, you know, relaxing, fun, playful night, and it's great to know that Metro Channel is launching like so many new series that we can follow, and we're really excited because a friend of ours is one of the hosts, so we're gonna fully support all of their shows, but we have already our favorite, Beached.
Okay, interesting. I should look into that. What's that? Beached?
Beached.
Beached. Oh. And Chris, what's your take on this environment event?
Well, it's nice to know that as much as we want to travel and enjoy the beautiful things here in the Philippines, we also have to take care of Mother Earth. Mother Earth.
Oh, yeah.
For us to sustain it and for everyone else to enjoy it also. So it's very nice that they have this program and they launched this charity also.
Okay, thank you very much, ladies.
Did you adopt a clam?
Yes, I did.
Good job.
Unfortunately, I came from another event, so I didn't know that they're supposed to give a name, so I don't have a name yet.
Well, we use their own name.
Oh, cool. Maybe I should. I'll think of that.
Yeah.
I'll think of that. Anyway, we're off to our next event, back to Cebu. Thank you for your time. So we're on our way back to Cebu, and I have to say goodbye to my
Friend here.
old friend here, Manger.
See you.
Yes,
Have
it
fun.
was nice,
Enjoy your night.
fun partying here in Crimson.
Okay.
Okay, see ya, bro.
See you. Bye.
Bye. See ya.
Guys, we just finished their second party. I mean, second event. So, how do you find this event, man?
It's nice. It's warm. It's nice to see old faces, old friends gathering, and especially for something that's beneficial for the ocean, for the environment, which of course in turn goes back to us. It's the same Mother Earth. We should take care of it.
How does it feel to be a first-time vlogger?
Fun.
He's gonna do it regularly, so
And
watch out. By the way, so
here we have the giveaway.
yeah, the summer soul.
And inside we have flip-flops, and by some luck they got a nice collar. It's a collar I really like, and it's pretty much my size too.
Great.
And they have this. This is
very environmental.
very useful. And a brush, which I haven't used. Well,
Perfect for your hair, man.
yeah, perfect for my hair. I haven't bought a brush for more than, I don't know, ages. What else? I don't know what this is.
Yeah.
Well, off to the next one.
So we just adopted. He just adopted a clam, by the way. What do you name your clam, by the way?
I'm not so sure yet. Some cute name.
So if you have
my
a cute name for a clam, let us know, because he'll name it that. So
perhaps, or my name. I don't know. I'm not sure
we're
yet.
off to our next destination.
Back to the city.
So hi guys, now we're in our third event already. We're here at F Cafe, right?
Yep. I'm with my friend, Party Animal, Paul Dipperini. And our best friend Joe from LA, right? Who I just met tonight. So, how are you finding this birthday party tonight?
A birthday party? We didn't even know it was a birthday party. I think we crashed tonight.
Well, that's really fun.
I think we crashed tonight. But fortunately,
Even better.
I know the girl
Who's having a birthday?
is having her birthday. So,
How's the music? How's the drinks?
what are you drinking?
Whiskey.
Whiskey. All right. Well, same here. Cheers. How do you like this place?
I love the place.
Why? What do you like about this place?
I love the music. I love the people that come here. I love the drinks.
Don't forget the music.
I just said
We just had an awesome night. 3 events, and we pulled it off.
Yep.
That's the life of Sven, by the way. I mean, do you do this often?
Not often, about 3-4 times a year. It's never the same. This multi-events in one night is about 2 to 3 times a year.
And it's awesome, man.
Oh yeah, we had fun. It was fun.
We had fun. So, guys, watch our future adventures.
We have
With
other
Sven, of course.
We have other events coming up. Sometimes they're gonna be during the day with other hobbies and different life that I have. And see you there. See you soon.
So check it out. So, and I guess in the description you'll have his social media accounts. Thank you for watching.
See ya. Thanks. Hello. Once again, we're in the same party, and I'm here with Kym Maitland-Smith.